Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Wasan. Today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour with a blow dryer. As you can see here, I'm laying down the base coat. It's black. I cut into the parts that you don't need to see because it's very long. And now I'm just making sure that I cover all the edges. Then I'm going to be tilting it to make sure that the paint is distributed evenly and that I don't have a lot of paint on the canvas or paint pools on the canvas. I'm not sure if I'm saying this correctly. Now I'm just putting down my paint. First I'm starting with silver, and I have a new composition that I'm thinking of in my head. It's gonna end up looking good. I hope you like it too. So it's silver and then light blue, then a greenish turquoise, magenta red, greenish turquoise, and Russian blue, then a pink that I've made from the magenta red, and then it's a greenish, more greenish turquoise that I've custom made. I'm going down to normal speed so that you can see how I blow dry. I go into more details in previous videos on the angle of the blow dryer and the speed in which that I do the blow dry and move the blow dryer. Please support me by liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification button, and also leave a comment. I love your comments and I'll get back to you ASAP as soon as I get it. So the more comments, the more discussions. I love it. Let me know what you think, and let me know about this new composition. If you do something that you don't like, don't let it turn you off. All you have to do is scrape off that part and start again, and you will see me do that in the middle of the video because I didn't like a certain part and I worked through it. So go ahead, enjoy the process. Put some paint to the canvas and enjoy the process. It's all about having fun and expressing yourself. It's not tough and it's not that easy either, but you have to work at it. So enjoy the video. I'll get back to you soon, and wait for the close-up at the end of the video.